Hey, good morning, folks. This is Mr. O'Brien welcoming you to your third week of distance learning. I just wanted to start off by turning your attention to a couple of things on the radar here. So, if you find the class schedule for today, you're going to see that I've got a new assignment for you called Naming Covalent Compounds. So just like always, you're going to download that to Notability, complete the assignment, and then reattach it to your covalent bonding homework folder on Google Classroom. Um, then you are also going to have a unit test, not just on covalent bonding, but also on ionic bonding, and a little bit of information about metallic bonding, which we're going to cover tomorrow. So just keep that in mind that you will have a test this Friday. But in addition to that, I wanted to say that I really miss seeing you guys, and I miss the interactions that I get to have with you, and also seeing the interactions that you guys get to have with one another. You know, science is all about collaborating with each other, and it's really sad that we don't have that opportunity right now based on our situation. So I was grading your atomic boxes over the weekend, or not the weekend, excuse me, last week. And it kind of seemed like a nice metaphor for us. Normally, we take all those boxes, we put them together, and we make this big, beautiful table in the back of the classroom. But unfortunately, we can't do that. So here is what I've come up for a workaround. Okay, if you click on this attachment here where it says Science Squad Teams, okay, that's going to open up an attachment here. And I want you to look for your period and then look for your name here. So say, for instance, I'm Nick. Okay, I'm going to be part of Team Electron here with Yoga, Jack, Julia, and Aiden. So once I see what team I'm on, I would jump into Google Classrooms and send those folks a quick message saying, hey, happy to be your teammate. That way, when you guys are finished with what you have to do for today's assignment, with naming covalent compounds, you can compare your answers, work as a study group, make sure that you're on the right track. In addition to that, you guys can also use this workday on Thursday to work on that study guide together, help quiz each other, make sure you're ready for that unit test on Friday. Okay, so work in your new teams, okay, work in your new squads. That's a great resource for you. In addition to just reviewing homework and studying, I've also put these science squads together because each week on Monday I'm going to post a weekly challenge. So this is an optional assignment. It's just kind of a bonus, but it's meant to be fun and meant to be a way for you guys to kind of pull together as a team and compete with one another. So this first week's assignment is going to be a scavenger hunt. You're going to work as a team to try to find real-world examples of the following terms. So that doesn't mean it Google image search. That means actually going and finding these things in your own home, shooting a photo of it, and then attaching it to this document with an explanation as to why that serves as a good example. So for instance, for like a pure element, if my name is Nick, I'm going to write my teammate or name here. I'm going to write period 1. And in my name, I'm probably going to write that in blue. That way, when I write blue here, I'll know it's Nick. Maybe another teammate will have their name in yellow, and they'll do an ionic compound in yellow. Okay. There's quite a few on here. I don't want one person doing all of this. This is meant to be a team activity. Okay. But on Thursday, I want you to submit however much you've gotten done. And then I'm going to post whichever team is ranked the highest at the end of next week, on Friday. Now, you may be able to get a quiz question or a test questions knocked off the test on Friday if you are the winner of that. And in addition to that, I want to offer up the prize of, if you check out my website here, I've got this kind of scuba photo as my class profile pic. And I'm going to allow the winning team of this week to choose whatever image they would like to replace this with. So, for instance, if you want Mr. O'Brien's profile pic to be like a My Little Pony or something like that, if you win the weekly challenge number 1, you'll have that option. Okay, so I just wanted to offer that extra support for you guys. So you've got your Science Squad teams, you've got your assignment for the day, and you've got your weekly challenge if you've got any extra time to work on science in your groups today. All right, best of luck to you. And if you need to reach out for additional support beyond your team, you can always send me a message by email or on Google Hangouts directly. All right, folks, take care and look forward to seeing you soon.